Guys, just a quick video. So what do you do when you're in year 7? You're in secondary school now. So I think one of the most important things to realise is just look around you. Be curious, have a think. What are your observations? You'll see that technology has changed really fast. So I think a great investment to make in the early years is to learn to program. You can learn something like Python. There's so many free courses on YouTube and many websites online like MIT Open Courseware. Just learn to automate things that maybe bore you, or you feel you could easily just benefit from using a computer to make the task faster. So programming, but another important thing is at this stage is just have fun, learn an instrument, just try lots of different new things. And don't worry about what everyone else is doing, it's about you, it's your discovery. And I'd say the last thing is, just be curious and wonder why things are the way they are. And don't be afraid to make yourself look silly, because this is how you learn, yeah? Sit at the front of the class and learn.